going to look here at how to simplify surds. And the process that we follow when we're doing that is we try and take our surd and look for the biggest square number that will divide into, in this case 75, in this case 700, and so on. To be able to do that, it's important that you know the square numbers quite well. So if that list looks slightly unfamiliar to you, then it's important to memorize all of those so that you can reproduce them very, very quickly. And we're basically thinking which of the numbers on this list is the biggest one that will divide into 75. And I would just start from the bottom. 1 is never going to be of any use to you, so you can ignore that one, but work your way up the list. And 25 is the first number we come to that will go into 75, because we can say that 75 is equal to 25 times by 3. And what you're allowed to do with surds is if you have a square root of two numbers being multiplied together, you can separate them out into individual square roots like that. And now I can say the square root of 25 is equal to 5, square root of 3 can't be simplified, so my final answer, root 75 simplified, is 5 root 3. Let's do the same now with simplifying root 700. We go down our list trying to find the biggest square number that we can do. Now 4 does go into 700, but it's not the biggest square number that I could choose. If I go a little bit further down the list, 25 goes in as well. It's not the biggest number. The best one to choose would be 100. That is the largest square number that divides in. So again, we'll split this apart. We can say it's going to be root of 100 times by 7. 100 times by 7 is 700. Root 100 is equal to 10. Root 7 can't be simplified, giving us 10 root 7. Some questions might expect us to do this several times in order to be able to simplify an expression, to be able to add or subtract like terms. So let's try and figure out how to add these terms together. At the moment we can't. Root 8, root 18, there's no way they could be combined in any way. But if I try and simplify each one, I can see that root 8 is the same as root 4 times by 2. Root 18 is root 9 times by 2. And root 50 is root 25 times by 2. So that then, if I work each of these out, if I simplify them, root 4 is equal to 2, so I've got 2 root 2, plus root 9 is equal to 3, 3 root 2, root 25 is equal to 5, so 5 root 2. And this is like if I had 2x add 3x add 5x. I can say if I've got 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2, 2 add 3 is 5, add another 5 means overall I have 10 root 2.